2025 KTM 300XCW Factory Edition First Look, 11 Fast Facts. KTM is upping the ante in the enduro world with the introduction of the 2025 300XCW Factory Edition, an ultra-high performance machine built to dominate the toughest off-road conditions. With a host of premium upgrades and race-inspired components, the Factory Edition is designed for riders who demand the best in handling, power, and reliability. Here's everything you need to know about this competition-ready two-stroke powerhouse. 1. Iconic 300 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine. At the heart of the 2025 KTM 300XCW Factory Edition is a proven 300 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, delivering exhilarating power with a smooth, broad power band. The engine has been further refined for 2025 to offer more low-end torque and improved throttle response, making it a perfect choice for technical trail and extreme enduro riders. 2. Exhaust system upgrade. KTM has upgraded the exhaust system on the 300XCW Factory Edition, adding a new lightweight FMF pipe and silencer. This combination helps to reduce weight while optimizing power delivery, allowing the bike to perform at its best in challenging conditions. 3. Advanced WP suspension. The 2025 Factory Edition features top-tier WP ZACT suspension, a 48mm front fork and a rear shock. Both components are fully adjustable, giving riders the flexibility to fine-tune the suspension to match their riding style and the terrain. The Factory Edition suspension setup is designed for maximum control and comfort in even the roughest terrain, providing excellent bottoming resistance and enhanced traction. 4. Reinforced frame and chassis. KTM's trademark chromoly steel frame provides the foundation for the 300XCW Factory Edition. The frame is designed to be both lightweight and rigid, offering exceptional durability without sacrificing handling. The bike's geometry has also been optimized for increased stability in high-speed sections and better maneuverability in tight spots. 5. Factory-style graphics and styling. True to its Factory Edition heritage, the 2025 model features distinctive factory-style graphics and a sleek black and orange color scheme. The design not only looks striking but also reflects KTM's racing pedigree. 6. Hydraulic clutch system. The 300XCW Factory Edition comes equipped with a hydraulic clutch system that ensures precise and consistent performance, even in the most demanding conditions. This setup provides a smoother clutch pull and better modulation, making it easier to handle technical terrain without fatigue. 7. Larger fuel tank. To accommodate longer rides and races, KTM has equipped the Factory Edition with a larger 12-liter fuel tank, offering more range between pit stops. This is crucial for endurance racing and long off-road rides where fuel efficiency and capacity are key. 8. Electric start. For convenience and quick starts on the trail, the 2025 KTM 300XCW Factory Edition features an electric start system. This upgrade ensures hassle-free restarts in difficult situations, especially in the heat of competition. 9. Enduro-specific tires. The Factory Edition rolls on Michelin Enduro tires, designed to provide maximum grip and durability across a wide variety of terrains. These tires are perfect for the aggressive off-road rider, offering a balance of traction and stability on loose dirt, rocks, and muddy conditions. 10. Brembo braking system. KTM's Brembo hydraulic brakes are featured on the 300XCW Factory Edition, delivering exceptional stopping power. The large 260mm front and 220mm rear discs offer precise control and excellent braking performance, whether you're descending a steep hill or navigating tricky trails. 11. Pricing and availability. The 2025 KTM 300XCW Factory Edition will be available at authorized KTM dealerships starting in late 2024. Pricing for the Factory Edition is expected to start around $11,000, reflecting its premium features and race-ready capabilities. Conclusion. The 2025 KTM 300XCW Factory Edition is a true contender in the competitive enduro world, combining cutting-edge technology, premium components, and KTM's racing DNA. Whether you're competing in extreme enduro events or tackling rugged trails, the Factory Edition is built to deliver exceptional performance, agility, and reliability in the most demanding off-road conditions.